Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we have a fantastic find for all you tea lovers out there. The SUSTEAS Stovetop Whistling Tea Kettle. Stick around because we're about to show you why this is the best stovetop tea kettle available in the market right now. If you're a tea enthusiast like me, you know that the right kettle can make all the difference in your tea-making experience. The SUSTEAS Tea Kettle is not just any kettle, it's a game changer, and here's why. First off, let's talk about the design. Look at this beauty. The SUSTEAS Tea Kettle is a stunning piece of kitchenware that will elevate the aesthetic of any kitchen. It's available in multiple colors, but this elegant black version has truly caught my eye. But it's not just about looks. This kettle is incredibly practical. The ergonomic handle and push-button technology make pouring a breeze. And what's more important, it keeps you safe from scalding with its high-quality nylon material and stainless steel construction. Now, let's talk capacity. This tea kettle can hold up to 2.64 quarts of water, making it perfect for brewing tea for your entire family or hosting guests. Plus, the loud whistle feature ensures you hear it from another room, preventing any safety hazards or overboiling. The innovative bottom design. The SUSTEAS Tea Kettle boasts a 5-layer encapsulated bottom that not only improves heating performance, but also reduces heat loss, allowing you to enjoy a premium cup of tea or coffee quickly. It's compatible with all cooktops, including induction, gas, electric, halogen, and radiant cooktops. But wait, there's more. The SUSTEAS Tea Kettle comes with a premium pinch mitt, ensuring your hands stay safe while handling the kettle. Plus, it's packaged in this stylish gift box, making it the perfect gift for your friends and family. SUSTEAS is a premium brand on Amazon. And their tea kettle is 100% Teflon and BPA free. So you can have peace of mind while enjoying your hot beverages. It even comes with a 1-year warranty. Now, a little word of caution. Since this teapot is made of stainless steel, using high heat may overheat it and even cause the paint to peel off. To protect your kettle, it's recommended to use low to medium heat when boiling water, ensuring a longer lifespan. So, there you have it, folks. The SUSTEAS Stovetop Whistling Tea Kettle, a perfect blend of style, safety, and functionality. It's no wonder why it's our top pick for the best stovetop tea kettle. If you want to elevate your tea-making game, don't miss out on this gem. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing product reviews. Until next time, happy brewing!